Hello all. In the world of IoT, when we have all the technologies to revolutionize our life, it's a great idea to develop a system which can be controlled and monitored from anywhere. A good security system and cameras out there for home security, but they are much expensive. So today I will show low cost, simple Raspberry Pi based intruder alert system, which not only alert you through a message but also sends the picture of the intruder when it detects any. Let's see what are the hardwares I've used for this project. I have used Raspberry Pi 4, Pi4 sensor, relay which turns on the LED light, buzzer, Pi camera which is interfaced on Raspberry Pi. I'm using a Telegram app which is on my mobile where it receives the captured image and message from Raspberry Pi 4.
Here I'm installed Pi4 sensor, buzzer, Pi camera mounted in this box. Inside the box I have placed Raspberry Pi 4. On my mobile the Telegram app is opened. In this chatbot I receive the captured image and message. There is a LED light turns on when any detection. Let's see the demo. Anyone comes in the range of Pi4 sensor, the sensor triggers the Pi camera through Raspberry Pi, also turns on the light and buzzer makes beep sound. Now the camera is sending the images on the Telegram app. On the Telegram app you can see the captured image and also the message intruder to your home. If you like this video, please click like button. If you have any comments, drop your comments in the comment section. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.